Welcome to my channel. Today our focus is on forex orders. So what is a forex order? A forex order is an instruction that you send to your broker to execute a trade if the specified conditions are satisfied. In simple terms, we're talking about how you enter or exit a trade. The type of orders that we have in the forex market are the following. One, we have a market order. This order is executed immediately at the prevailing market price. So when you buy a stock or a security at that prevailing market price, that's the order that we are talking about, the market order. The next category of orders are pending orders. So different brokers offer different pending orders, but we're going to focus on the four that we have: the buy limit, the sell limit, the buy stop, and the sell stop. Those are the four that we're going to be focusing on. These ones are more useful and they are very common, and most brokers offer them. A sell limit is an order or an instruction that you send to your broker to sell. You sell above the prevailing market price. Then a buy limit is an order sent to a broker to buy below the current market price. The market order, as you can see, that's where you buy at the current market price. What are the advantages of using limit orders? So when you use a market order, you don't have a control over the price that you are buying the security at. But when you use limit orders, you have the control over the price that you want to buy or sell your security or your commodity or any stock or any asset that you are trading. So limit orders, they give you control over the price you're going to sell or you're going to buy. One drawback of using sell limits or buy limits is that not all buy limits are executed or sell limits. There are times when the price will not reach where the sell limit or the buy limit is, and your sell limit will not be executed. If you are finding value in the information that I'm sharing, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also share and like this video so that this content can reach many people. Let's look at how we can use buy limits and sell limit. So when you're using a sell limit, you must first of all identify an area where there is a resistance, and then you place your sell limit there. So you're anticipating that as the price goes up, there is a possibility that the market will reverse at that point. So the area must be an area or a key level where there is the price is likely going to reverse and move downwards. So that's where you place your sell limit. With the buy limit, you must as well try, first of all, identify a key level, support level. So a buy limit is normally placed where there is a support level, where the price, as it moves down, you can see on the arrow on the left, there is a likelihood, a great possibility that the market will move upwards. So that's where you place your buy limit on a support level. Let's now talk about sell stop and buy stops. So a sell stop is normally placed below the prevailing market price. Then a buy stop is normally placed above the prevailing market price. Let's now look at how we can use a buy or a sell stop. A sell stop is normally used where there is a continuation of a downtrend. After probably a period of where there is a correction or where the market was ranging and now the downward trend is now continuing. So that's where you place your sell stop, normally below the current market price, in anticipation that the market will continue going downwards. With a buy stop, it is normally used where there is a continuation of an upward trend, where you're anticipating that the market will continue to go up, then you place your buy stop above the current market price. So that's it for forex orders. For in my next video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how you can use these forex orders, trading boom and crash, and also volatility. How can we use these pending orders, the buy and sell limit, the buy and sell orders? How can we use it to trade boom and crash, to catch spikes, and also to trade ticks, and also to use it in the volatility market? So please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out. That's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for listening. May you stay blessed and may you remain profitable in the forex market.